Yo, what's up guys? Right now blowing up a YouTube Shorts channel is easier than ever. And AI content is still one of the easiest opportunities to get into right now. I've personally grown multiple AI channels, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create high quality AI videos completely for free. I'm also going to reveal a simple hidden niche later in the video that you can start with. Right now, Higgsfield AI has an unlimited offer that allows new users to test the platform for literally $0. You can get 24 hours of unlimited access to the top models on the Higgsfield websites, which means you can generate images, create videos and test the AI features you've always wanted to try without paying. So let me show you exactly how to set everything up. The first thing you want to do is open Higgsfield AI. Once you are on the website, create a new account or log in with an account you just created. I'm going to show you the process with a new account so you can see exactly how the free access works. Simply go through the sign up process, and once your account has been created, click up here and select the offer that says get free trial for $0. From here you simply verify your payment details and activate the offer. The trial itself starts at $0 and you receive 1 full day of unlimited access if you don't want to continue afterward. You can cancel during the first day. Once everything is activated, you can see that it says 1 day free trial and we now have access to the unlimited option. That means that we can enter any prompt, select one of the included models, choose unlimited mode, and we can start generating without paying credits. As you can see, here's our first result. Now, before I show you the tutorial for the niche I mentioned in the beginning, let me quickly show you some of my favorite AI models that I personally use for creating YouTube Shorts. For image generation, one of my favorite options is Nano Banana Pro. You can use it to create extremely high quality visuals in almost any style. For example, you can create images for this clean 3D psychology style niche. You can also upload reference images. I just created this image right here. As you can see, the result looks really clean. And once I created an image like that, I normally take that image and turn it into a video. For that, one of my favorite models is Kling 3.0. Just open Kling 3.0, upload the reference image we just created, and then add a video prompt explaining how you want the scene to move. This image to video workflow is something I use for many different YouTube Shorts niches. First, I generate a consistent image, then I take that image into a strong video model and turn it into an animated scene. You can use this process for psychology videos, explainer channels, AI characters, or almost any faceless niche. Now, before we get into the tutorial, there's one more model that you should definitely try, and that is Seedance 2.0. Seedance 2.0 is also included in the 24-hour unlimited access, and it is especially useful when you want to create more realistic and cinematic AI video scenes. You can use it to create AI influencers, realistic vlog style videos, cinematic scenes, or even sections that look like they came from a movie. To use unlimited mode, scroll down slightly inside the settings and select the unlimited option. Then you can enter your prompt, choose your format and other settings and generate the video. As you can see, the result looks extremely realistic. We have natural movement, a realistic environment and even audio inside the scene. But now let's get back to the niche I mentioned at the beginning and create an actual YouTube short from scratch. The niche I want to show you is basically called unethical ways to make money. These are short explainer style videos about unusual or strange ways to make money, and the videos are very simple to produce, but they get a lot of views. To make the process even easier, I already created a complete AI prompt for you. I will leave the prompt in the description, so you don't have to build the workflow yourself. All you need to do is copy the prompt and paste it into Claude, ChatGPT or any other capable AI assistant. Once you paste it in, the AI will begin generating ideas for the channel. As you can see, it gives us several different ideas for unethical ways to make money. For this tutorial, let's simply choose the first idea. The AI now writes the complete voiceover script for us. After that, it also creates the image prompts for the entire script. We receive one visual prompt for every sentence, so each moment of the video will have a matching image. Now we are going to take these prompts and generate all the visuals inside Higgsfield. Copy the first image prompt and head back to Higgsfield. Go to the image section and select Nano Banana 2. You can also add the included reference image if you want every visual to follow the same style. For this specific visual style, I like using Nano Banana 2 because it is fast and works really well for simple and consistent illustrations. And as you can see, this is our first image. Now go back to the AI, copy the second prompt, paste it into Higgsfield and generate the next image. While that image is generating, you can return to the AI again, copy prompt number 3 and prepare the next generation. As you can see, our second image is already finished and it also looks really good. Now copy the next prompt, paste it into Nano Banana 2 again and generate. Here we have image number 3. The process is extremely simple. You just continue moving between the AI and Higgsfield, copying each image prompt and generating one visual for every section of the voiceover. Continue doing this until all of the images have been created. Once every image is finished, go through the results and download all of them. Now before we start editing the final video, we need one more visual for the opening hook. For that, return to the video section and select Kling 3.0. Then go back to the prompt document and scroll down to the bottom. I added a short video prompt specifically for the opening scene. Copy that prompt and paste it into Kling 3.0. This scene is basically a simple stick figure wearing a suit and counting stacks of money. This will be used during the opening line, unethical ways to make money. Download this video. The next thing we need is the voiceover. Go back to the AI, scroll up to the completed script, copy the entire script and open 11 Labs. Paste the script into 11 Labs, select the voice you want to use and slightly increase the speed so the narration sounds faster and more suitable for this type of short form content. Then click Generate Speech and download the finished voiceover. Now open any video editor and import the voiceover. The first thing you want to do is go through the entire audio track and remove all of the unnecessary pauses. Once you have removed all of the pauses, the audio should look something like this. Now import the short opening video we generated with Kling 3.0 and place it at the very beginning of the timeline. Then add a keyframe at the very beginning, move to the end of the clip and add another keyframe and slightly increase the scale. This creates a slow zoom in effect. Now import all of the images we generated with Nano Banana 2. Because the AI created one image prompt for every sentence, matching the visuals to the voiceover is very simple. Go through the voiceover sentence by sentence and place the corresponding image above each section. Once every image has been placed above the correct voiceover section, the basic video is already complete. However, we can add a few small effects to make the final result feel more professional. Go through every image and add a keyframe at the beginning and another one at the end. Then increase the scale by around 10% at the final keyframe. This creates a subtle zoom in effect on every image. Once that is finished, you can add simple background music underneath the voiceover. You can also add some sound effects when the image is changed, when money appears, or when an important sentence is delivered. And just like that, the video is finished. As you can see, creating AI shorts like this is extremely simple with Higgsfield. Right now, all new users get 24 hours of free unlimited access to the top models on the Higgsfield website. The links to Higgsfield and the exact AI prompt I use in this tutorial are both in the description. Have fun creating and exploring the platform. Now let's check out the final video.
Unethical ways to make money. Part 1. Most people think old bank boxes are gone forever. You check who forgot to come back for theirs. Search for unclaimed property databases, escheated safety deposit boxes, and state treasury asset searches. And that's exactly where you go in. Someone rents a box in 1998. They move, they forget, they pass away. The bank waits years, then hands the contents to the state. Coins, jewelry, old bonds, documents nobody opened in decades. The state just holds it. No one comes looking. And this is where it gets interesting. Every state runs a public unclaimed property list. Most people don't know their own name might be on it. A box worth $4,000 sits untouched because an heir never checked. Now comes the move. You search the database by name, city, and family record. You match the record to a living relative. You show them proof it exists. You offer to handle the claim for a fee. Paperwork, verification, filing. Find $4,000 sitting in a database. Take 20%. That's $800 for a name most people never bothered to search. The money was never lost. It was just waiting for someone to look. Stay broke or subscribe.